XPR network. 004897 at the time of this video. Again, I made one previous video on XPR. This is a small cap crypto, 132 million. Again, any crypto under 500 million to me would be considered a smaller cap. Again, everyone has their own definition of a smaller cap, but again, 132 million market cap for XPR. We look at the last year for XPR network, it's up 361%, and did touch actually 006, and I believe that was a market cap of, at that time, was a market cap of 186 million. So again, not too far from those 1 year high levels. If you do zoom out on the chart though, it is up 361% year to year. I just wanted to make this video because when I made the video last week, a lot of people were asking questions about XPR and how it could be confused for XRP. I think if we take a look at the all-time chart for XPR, I mean, XPR has been around for a while, obviously not as long as XRP, Ripple XRP, but since 2020, and you can see the price fluctuation, it was at actually 4 cents. Let's actually see that market cap was at a 200, and back in 2021, the last bull market, peak of the last bull market, in my opinion, was, around this time. It hit 292 million market cap. Again, back around that time, which at the time, again, would be, I don't know what the price was, around 4 cents. But you can see here, circulating supply, 27.1 billion, 30.05 billion total supply. There's just a lot of things to like with XPR network when we talk about utility cryptos, taking away meme coins, not looking at meme coins, and we talk about cryptos with technology, infrastructure, and an ecosystem and catalysts, right, from a utility standpoint that offer a ton of upside, and XPR is one of those projects, in my opinion. Again, that's not financial advice, but talking about more specifically about XPR, I want to just make an additional video kind of following up on some things. Blockchain for everyone, powerful and compliant, instant transactions, username, zero gas fees, on-chain identity. Again, you can see your massive ecosystem, entirely real-world integrations, right? Discourse, WordPress, WooCommerce, MetalPay, WebAuth, MetalX. It's on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Milk Road, etc. This is not on Coinbase. By the way, I know a lot of projects that I do talk about are usually like have the Coinbase listing already, but I've been kind of trying to pivot a little bit more to like utility cryptos and cryptos that offer intrinsic value. Not that I'm not holding meme coins as well, but I do think as crypto becomes even more and more adopted in the United States and globally, I think there's going to be a lot of upside for these types of projects and these types of cryptocurrencies. You can see your XPR network, layer 1 proof of stake blockchain. It leverages cutting edge WebAssembly, known as WASM, smart contracts to enable high performance, scalable, and sustainable computation. You can leverage the XPR network to easily secure and build tokens, NFT exchanges, lending markets, and much more. Like if we look here at their Explorer, it's their own Explorer on the XPR network. XPR network, explorer.xprnetwork.org. So this is super interesting. 680 accounts, which is super interesting. Again, I'm not really sure how to see. I want to say this might be the holder count. Again, this is its own thing on Meticulous, so I'm not really entirely sure as far as how the holder count. Let's see if the holder count's on here. Now this is the RAM and the chain limits. But you can see, I mean, you're able to build on top of XPR network as a whole. And this tweet here that I wanted to share by 10 Shades, again, shout out to 10 Shades on Twitter. I'll put a link to this tweet in the description. Again, super resourceful user in my opinion. I like 10 Shades a lot. On Twitter, I'll put a link in the description below. But 5 reasons to be bullish on XRP. Gasless transactions. Obviously, zero fees is huge, massive, and can be adopted in a lot of different places. Instant settlements, built-in KYC and compliance, Proton wallet integration, DeFi NFTs, cross-chain capabilities, and then obviously an expanding ecosystem. But real use cases, right? This tweet here, and that comes back to my just kind of interest in these utility cryptos that do offer real, technological value. Because I think there's going to be a massive opportunity and a massive market for these types of projects, especially these ones that are sitting under 500 million market cap. XPR with a market cap of around 8 billion. It's a 58x from here. It's a 28-cent price, but a 58x. And I'm just comparing it to this crypto years for the market cap only. But even if we like compared it just like to Bonk, or let's just say Bonk, which is just obviously a 1.2 billion market cap, it's still a 9x, around a 10x essentially. At about a 1.5, 4 billion market cap, it's a 30x, right? So you're talking about 30x multipliers. For coins that even have higher upside, I like XPR, sorry, not XRP, XPR, to definitely put on your watch list. And, you zoom out over the last month, up 150%. Let me know in the comments below you guys feel about XPR. Drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.